Good morning, year one. How are you doing today? Miss you so much. Hope so that you had a great weekend and you enjoyed it playing and having fun. Mm? And you are now ready to start your new week. Let's make this week more productive and more joyful than the last week and even more and more and more. Okay? Let's see. Now, today our class, let's read the title. Ourselves. Okay. Our class for today, we are going to talk about human beings and animals. We are going to see how are we different and how are we similar. In what points are we similar as human beings and what makes us different? And also the animals, how are they the same but they are at the same time different? Each one has his own features and his own things that make him special in his own way. Okay, let's start. Let's read this. How are we the same? As human beings, what makes us the same? Yes, excellent. We are all human beings. This is the same point. All of us, our species is called a human being. And we are also living things. Amazing. So, if we are human beings and we are also living things, this means that all of us eat food and we drink water and we also can grow older, right? Okay, so this what makes us sane. Let's see what's next. Let's look at this picture. What makes us same here is that all of us need to play, right? You wait for the break so that you can go to the garden and you play with your friends, right? So all of us need to play, even if we are old. I may sometimes need to play with my friends also. It's not only for kids, right? Okay. And we also need to eat. As we said, all of the human beings need food to eat and grow. And what makes us same also is we all need to help each other. We need to share things together. We need to show love to others. We need to help others. If we look at this picture, this girl is helping her mom to clean the dishes and to wash them. Yes, girls have to do this and help their moms and dad also. And they have to look here, these two sisters and brothers, they are helping each other to clean the home. Yes, we all should do this. Let's see what's next. But we are all different in our own way. Okay, if we look at this picture, all of them are human beings, right? All of them are kids. Some are little grown up, but they are human beings. They are living things. But still, they are the different. They are different. How are they different? And why are they different? All these differences that we are going to talk about now makes us all unique. What do we mean by unique? It's that we are all special. All of us are special. No matter how we look or how we speak or anything, we are special. We are unique. Let's start now pointing out these differences together. The basic difference between us is that we have boys and we have girls. We have mom, she's a girl, and dad, who is a man or a boy. We, for example, if we spoke about our class, we have four girls and we have the rest of the class, which is nine, and nine boys, right? But all of the class is a human being and all of us are living things. Okay, so this is the main difference. We have a boy and girl. Let's see the next difference. Okay, let's look at this picture now. Can you see all these people in front of you? They are all human beings, still, they are all living things, but they have different skin colors. Can you see the colors? There are different skin colors. We have the white, we have the little brown, we have the blonde, we have the black. So we have many different skin colors that God created people with. So we are divided into boys and girls. We have different skin colors. And what else? Let's look at this picture and try to guess what is the difference that we are going to talk about here. Mhm. Yes, some of us are short, like this kid, and some of us are tall, like this kid. So we have short people and we have tall people. Okay, let's complete. Mm, These are two men here standing. And what is the difference between them? Mm, yes, the one man is thin and the other one is fat. Okay, so they are unique in themselves. Whether this man is thin or fat, they are special. Okay, and what else? Now we have this slide. We have 4 pictures in the slide. So what are we going to talk about here? What is the difference between these kids? You can pause the video for 1 minute and think what makes them different. Okay, let's see why they are different. Let's take a picture. This first girl, she has brown hair. Okay, so here, this girl has brown hair. And this girl has, which color is her hair? Yellow hair. Okay, so we have brown hair. Some others have yellow hair. And some also have black hair. Excellent. And some others have red hair. They are born with these hair colors. And they are all special and they are all beautiful and amazing. So we spoke about that being a boy or a girl, we have different skin colors, we are short or tall, we are thin or fat, and the different hair colors too. The brown, the yellow, the black, the red, and what else can we spot out? Oh my god, these babies are so cute! So what is the difference between them? I know that you'll get this. It's very easy. Yes, they have different eye colors. So all the people around the globe or around the world, they have their own eye color. If we look here in this picture here, we have black color, we have blue, we have green, we have hazel, we have gray or green a little bit. So we have many different colors. People are born with different eye colors, and all these colors are amazing and they are so, so beautiful. Okay, and then what do we have? Are we done or not? Oh, here we're talking about something. Okay, this is a human being also, so he's a living thing, but we are going to talk here about the body parts. We are going to learn together the body parts we have, as we all have body parts, right? All human beings have body parts. They have the same body parts too. Okay, now let's point out the body parts. Let's start from the up. Here we have the head, the eye, the nose, ears, mouth. You also have teeth. You know your teeth. When you smile, you have to show your teeth so that you look more beautiful. And we have also the neck. And when we move to the bottom, after your neck, we have the shoulders and we have the arm, we have the elbow. You remember where's your elbow? Can you point out and hold your elbows all? Yes. And then to down we have our hand. Here's the hand. And in our hands we have how many? 5 fingers. We have 5 fingers in one hand. So in both the hands we have 10 fingers. Okay, this part, when you eat, your food goes down there. It is your stomach. Excellent. So this is your stomach. And then when we move down, we have the leg. Towards the leg, we have the knee. You know your knee? It's a bone in your leg that you can hold. Okay? This is your knee. Hold your knee. Can you see this part? This part where it has bones also, this is called your knee. And then you have your leg, as we said, and then you have your feet. This is the feet. And in your feet, how many fingers do you have in one feet? In one foot, sorry, in one foot. So in one foot, we have 5 fingers too. So in both our feet, we have 10 fingers. Amazing. So these are the body parts we are going to learn together, okay? Then, after we knew now the body parts and the human beings and we classified them and we saw the difference between each person, let's see what we are going to see next. Here we have a picture. Okay, can you look at this picture? What can you see in the picture? Okay, these boys and girls look a little bit sad. Okay, I have here a bicycle and they fell down. Oh, they crashed. Okay, they crashed with the bicycle and they fell down. Okay, let's see here what's written. Look at the picture and only count the parts you can actually see. Okay, let's see the first question. How many heads can you see? Remember, how many heads can you see? Let's count them together. We have here 1 head and 2 and 3. So we have 3 heads that can be seen in the picture. Let's see the next question. How many hands can you see? Okay, we are talking about the hands now. We have 1, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So how many hands can we see? 6. Amazing. How many fingers can you see? Fingers. Okay, now let's count. Now we said that one person has 10 fingers in his hand. So here we have 10. Here we can see 10 fingers because both her hands can be seen. Okay, let's move to this boy. He has here 5, so 10 plus 5, 15. Excellent. And we have another 5, so 15 plus 5 is 20. Amazing. And we have here also 5 can be seen, so 25 fingers. And here also 5 fingers. So these are 30 fingers. Okay, this is amazing. So we can see 30 fingers. Okay, now let's move on. Now we finished the human beings part. We are going to talk. Look at this picture. What are we going to talk here? Animals. Yes. Can we read this together first? The same but different too. Why? How are they same but still they have differences between them? Okay, they are like human beings? Yes, it looks so. Let's see how. Let's look at this picture. What combines them together? What joins them together? All of them are living things. Excellent. So they are living things like human beings. Okay. And all of them are what? Animals. So in this picture, all of these animals are called animals, of course, and they are living things. Excellent. So these 2 points are what combines them together. Then let's see now the differences between them. If we look at this picture here, we have a cat, excellent, and a dog. Are they the same? Oh, same in what? Yes, oh, okay, both of them are animals. So both of them are animals. But are they the same type of animal? No, we have two types of animals. We have cat and we have a dog. They do not look the same. If you look at the dog, look at her ears here. Her ears doesn't look like the dog's ear at all. They are totally different. Her eyes, they don't have the same color of the eyes. They don't have the same color in their on their body, and they are not also the same height. They are not the same height. If we can look at the dog here, he is taller and bigger than the cat. Okay, let's complete and see what else we can see. Okay, we have here 3 animals, a giraffe, a zebra, and a deer. What is the difference between them? What makes them special? What makes them unique too? Let's see. Think with me, what makes them different? Okay, here we have an animal who's tall, like the giraffe. If you saw the giraffe in the zoo, the giraffe is a very tall animal, right? Compared to the zebra and the deer, she is the tallest. Okay, and the deer is short. The deer is short, and we have other animals that are in between, like the zebra. He is not so tall and he is not short. Okay, so this is one difference. We have tall animals and short animals. Then, okay, what are the animals we have here? This is a rat and an elephant. Okay, so what is the differences between the rat and the elephant? Think, what are the differences between them? Hmm. Yes, of course. They are not the same size. The rat is small and tiny, whereas the elephant small too? Oh no, the elephant is big. The elephant is giant. So the differences between the rat and the elephant, that the rat is small and the elephant is big. Okay, here we have another 3 animals. I want you to pause the video here for 1 minute and think, what is the different things between these 3 animals? What are the animals here we have? We have a bird, we have a fish, and a lizard. Okay, so what is the difference between them? We took this before, I know. Mm, yes, here we have a bird. The bird can fly. Okay. And the fish lives in water, lives underwater. Can a bird live underwater? No. And we have the lizard who moves on ground or in the desert, right? So the difference between them that here we have an animal who can fly, the other one can live in the sea or the ocean or underwater, and the other one lives in the desert or on land. So these are the main differences between them. Each one has his own environment, has his own habitat, but still They are all under the umbrella called animals. All of them are animals, but they are not the same. Each one is unique. If we looked even at their colors, look at the bird's color. Here it's pink and gray. It's very nice. It's very amazing. And the fish, we have it in blue color, and some parts are green. And the lizard is green color and it has black and white spots, right? So they are different. Each one of these animals is amazing in his own way. Each animal is unique in his own way of living and his own color and his own shape and size. Okay? Now, today we knew the differences and the similarities between the features of the human beings and the animals. We knew that animals have different sizes, different shapes, different colors, and they also live in different environments. Still, they are all unique and special. We also spoke about the human beings, and we said that we have boys and girls, tall and short, and they also have different color skins and different eye colors. So, still at the end, we are all special and we are all beautiful, and we have our own beauty inside ourselves and in our appearances. So, our class today is over. Okay? I want you to study it hard and do all your best. I know that you are all amazing. And of course, don't forget to do your homework. Bye.